Starting a farming business might sound intimidating, especially if you have zero experience in agriculture. But the truth is, you don't need to be born on a farm, inherit land, or have a degree in agronomy to become a successful farmer. With passion, the right resources, and smart strategies, you can begin your journey from your own backyard and grow it into a thriving agricultural business. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step you need to know, from taking your first steps in farming to scaling up and tapping into modern agri-tech solutions. Let's begin with the most important question. Why farming? Agriculture is one of the oldest professions, but it's still one of the most vital. With global populations rising, the demand for fresh, high-quality food is only increasing. Whether you're motivated by sustainability, the desire for a healthier lifestyle, or the dream of building a business, agriculture offers countless opportunities. And thanks to advances in technology, even beginners can start small and scale quickly. So, how do you start farming with zero experience? The answer lies in three key steps: learning, planning, and acting. First, embrace the learning curve. You don't need an agricultural degree, but you do need to educate yourself. Begin by exploring free online resources, websites, YouTube channels, and podcasts dedicated to beginner farmers. Look for content that covers the basics: soil management, crop selection, pest control, and basic farm equipment. Consider joining local farming groups or online communities where you can ask questions and learn from others. Many government agencies and agricultural extensions offer workshops and free guides. Don't be afraid to start small. Even a handful of pots on your balcony can teach you valuable lessons about plant care, watering, and sunlight. Next, evaluate what resources you have. Do you have a backyard, a spare plot of land, or even access to a community garden? Assess the space you have and its potential. You don't need acres to start. Many urban farmers begin with as little as 100 square feet. Consider the climate and soil conditions in your area. These will determine which crops or livestock will thrive. If the soil isn't great, you can start with raised beds or containers. If water is scarce, research drought-resistant crops or invest in drip irrigation. Now, let's talk about planning. Decide what you want to grow. Start with crops that are easy for beginners, such as tomatoes, leafy greens, herbs, or beans. These plants are forgiving, grow quickly, and offer high yields in small spaces. If you're interested in animals, consider small livestock like chickens or rabbits. They require less land and are easier to manage for beginners. Make a simple plan. Write down your goals, your available resources, and a timeline. How much time can you dedicate each week? What is your budget for seeds, soil, and equipment? Setting clear goals will keep you motivated and help you measure progress. Before you plant your first seed, spend some time preparing your space. Test your soil if possible. Many garden centers offer affordable soil test kits. Knowing your soil's pH and nutrient levels will help you choose the right amendments and fertilizers. Clear the area of weeds and debris. If you're using containers, make sure they have proper drainage. Consider starting a compost pile or bin. Compost is one of the best natural fertilizers, and it's free to make. Now comes the fun part, planting. Follow the instructions on your seed packets for spacing and depth. Water consistently, but don't overwater. Monitor your crops for pests and diseases. Remember, the key is consistency. Check your plants daily and make notes about what works and what doesn't. If you make mistakes, don't be discouraged. Every setback is a learning opportunity. As your crops grow, start thinking about the next level, turning your backyard project into a business. Begin by assessing what sets you apart. Do you grow organic produce? Do you specialize in rare or gourmet varieties? Is your farm sustainable or technology-driven? Identify your unique selling points and use them to create your brand. Marketing is crucial. Start by sharing your journey on social media. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are fantastic platforms for showcasing your progress and connecting with potential customers. Share photos, tips, and stories about your farming adventure. Consider starting a blog or YouTube channel to document your experiences and share valuable information. As you build an audience, you'll create a network of supporters and potential buyers. Next, research local markets and sales channels. Farmers markets, community supported agriculture programs, CSAs, and online marketplaces are great options for beginners. You can also connect with local restaurants, grocery stores, or food co ops that are interested in fresh, locally grown produce. Don't be afraid to start small. Even selling to neighbors or friends can help you get started. As your business grows, look for ways to increase efficiency and scale up. Invest in better tools, expand your growing space, or try new crops. Consider integrating technology. Smart sensors, mobile apps, and online management tools can help you monitor soil moisture, track growth, and manage sales. The SMART-AGRI Hub offers a wealth of resources and tools designed to help new farmers succeed, from expert advice to networking opportunities. Don't forget to keep learning. Farming is a dynamic field, and new techniques, crops, and technologies are emerging all the time. Stay curious and don't be afraid to experiment. Attend workshops, read books, and network with other farmers. The more you learn, the more resilient and successful your business will become. Finally, remember that farming is more than just planting seeds and harvesting crops. It's about building a sustainable future. By starting your own farm, you're contributing to local food systems, promoting healthy eating, and creating opportunities for yourself and others. Whether your goal is a small side business or a full-scale farm, every step you take brings you closer to making a difference. So, are you ready to take the leap from backyard gardening to business farming? Start with what you have, learn as you grow, and don't be afraid to dream big. Agriculture is open to everyone, and with the right attitude and approach, you can turn zero experience into endless possibilities. Your farming journey starts today, one seed, one step, one harvest at a time.